AirCar. AirCar from KleinVision is a two-seat flying car made in Slovakia. Similar models and concepts have been so ubiquitous that this invention might not surprise anyone anymore. However, this car was officially recognized by the state and was certified as an aircraft in January 2022. You have to admit, that's a significant achievement. AirCar is essentially a two-seat car with 4 large road wheels. Its aerodynamic fuselage provides ample space for passengers and at the same time improves flight speed. The car is equipped with folding wings and retractable tail surfaces for flight. There's a propeller between the fuselage and tail as well as a safety parachute. Construction is made primarily of composite carbon fiber over a steel subframe. More than 20 programmable servo motors are used to transition from road to air configuration. On the road, the retracted tail surface creates downforce similar to the conventional rear aerofoils. AirCar takes off at about 75 miles per hour after a run of 980 feet. The speed in the air is 106 miles per hour. The flight range is estimated at 620 miles at an altitude of 8,200 feet, but the current version of the car can climb even higher, to a mark of 15,000 feet. It takes about 2 minutes and 15 seconds to switch from a car to an airplane. The prototype was first tested in October 2020, and in June 2021 it made a 35-minute flight between Nitra and Bratislava airports. .360 Invictus. This helicopter represents the future of attack and reconnaissance aircraft. .360 Invictus from Bell offers unprecedented speed and range, making it perfect for both assault and reconnaissance operations. .360 Invictus is equipped with a 20mm cannon and internal payload that can hold a variety of ammunition, including aviation ordnance. Pilots also have augmented reality goggles to extend their range of vision, as well as to interact with equipment on the helicopter. Another impressive feature of the helicopter is its maneuverability. It has a robust articulated rotor, a lift-sharing wing, and an optimized tail mechanism. This allows the helicopter to accelerate up to 230 miles per hour, and it can be operated in both urban and rural environments. The integrated power unit further increases the efficiency and safety of the .360 Invictus. It serves 2 purposes at once. It provides auxiliary power for ground maintenance and systems checks, and offers additional power for increased flight speed. The helicopter certainly looks futuristic, but it seems like there's room for improvement. It seems like it's time for designers to take note of artist 3D models. Check out this concept, for example. By the way, if someone really liked this helicopter, he can get the mini version because there's a building kit of 360 Invictus model. RaceBird. RaceBird's an innovative boat that combines hydrofoil technology with an electric motor. It's the first fully electric flying race boat of its kind produced by E1. Its design mirrors a single-seater race car with a steering wheel and pedals. All of this is covered by a canopy that provides protection for the pilot and at the same time makes it easy to get in and out of the boat. RaceBird battery pack was developed by Chrysler Electric. It incorporates cooling technology that enhances its performance. This technology ensures that the battery stays cool even in extreme conditions, allowing RaceBird to maintain speed and maneuverability in all conditions. The peak power of such a battery is approximately 200 horsepower, so the maximum speed of the boat is 58 miles per hour. RaceBird was first tested on the River Po near San Nazaro in northern Italy. Luca Ferrari, a former powerboat champion, successfully took the prototype boat through a series of tests and performance runs. Inspired by the successful tests, the company is preparing to usher in a new era of on-water racing in 2023. Firefighting robot. Don't be fooled by the size of this invention. Despite its small size, the robot developed by WeTech is an invaluable asset in firefighting, particularly in places not safe for humans. The robot's resistant to high temperature thanks to its fire-resistant rubber and metal frame. Even if the external rubber melts under the heat, the robot's movements will not be limited. The compact design, in turn, allows the robot to move through narrow passages and tight spaces. At the same time, it can drag 197 feet of water hose. All this makes the robot firefighter perfect for use in buildings and other structures, plus it can also climb the stairs. The robot's also equipped with advanced sensors that help it navigate easily even in smoke-filled environments, and its camera provides a real-time video feed, giving the operator a clear situation awareness. But one of the robot's most impressive features is its ability to switch between water, mist, and foam. This way it can extinguish a fire without damaging its surroundings. This robot's very efficient for sure, but it's still difficult for it to compare with such big machines as the Big Wind, for example. This device is built on the chassis of a T-34 tank and is equipped with a pair of turbojet engines. Each engine also has 3 water nozzles which can deliver up to 220 gallons of water per second. The maximum speed of the machines is only 3 miles per hour, but this Goliath doesn't need to go fast. It's operated by a crew of 3. The driver's responsible for getting close to the fire, a second operator controls the jet engines and water pumps, and a third crew member gives commands to the others via a set of control panels. It's a complex and difficult machine to operate, but it's proven to be effective. Typhoon. Shadow 6 also came up with something impressive. Take a look at their invention, an aquatic vehicle dubbed Typhoon. The design looks a bit ridiculous. The developers placed the vehicle's cabin on top of a pair of high-performance jet skis. Nevertheless, the resulting vehicle proved to be highly efficient. Typhoon's cabin is the manufacturer's custom design solution. It accommodates from 1 to 3 people. The hulls of the jet skis were made of carbon composite. They're mounted on long travel shock absorbers at the front and rear. Inside these 2 hulls sit 2 1.8-liter Yamaha engines generating 250 horsepower each. Despite having a large number of parts and weighing about a ton, the Typhoon glides through the water with ease, handles turns easily, and catches waves without trouble. When landing ashore, the 4-point suspension does an excellent job of keeping this unwieldy contraption under control. By the way, they've recently announced a new model of this vehicle, the Typhoon 2.0, which boasts an even more impressive design. Ferret. The Ferret by Toyo Tires is an off-road vehicle designed to handle even the toughest terrain with ease. There's a reason this car looks like a military vehicle. It was built on the basis of the 1959 British Ferret 4x4 Scout vehicle. Heavily modified from the original design, it's equipped with 6 massive Toyo open country tires. These are mounted on custom wheels, 2 of which are powered by hydraulic motors. To add even more power to the car, a Chevrolet LS engine was installed in the rear. The modified suspension with King shocks and high ground clearance allow the Ferret to handle even jumping over rough terrain. The ATV is also equipped with a grappling hook mounted on its roof. There are many scenarios where this feature might come in handy. For example, if the Ferret gets stuck in mud or sand, it can use the hook to get a foothold and pull itself out. Or it can use the hook to climb ledges in mountainous terrain. Another possible application of this tool is towing other vehicles that are stuck or malfunctioning. Flex Rover. Recently, the number of innovations in the space field has grown dramatically. The current state of technological advancement requires us to rethink the design of rovers, the machines used for exploring other planets. Flex Rover is the first vehicle of its kind that's been designed to solve a wide range of tasks. This was achieved through the use of modular design. Flex can be equipped with a 2-person crew interface which can be removed to make more room for cargo. The Rover can thus carry loads weighing more than 2 tons, which is almost 3 times more than its largest predecessor. A lot of effort was put into the toolkit, so the Rover comes with a robotic arm that enables it to utilize multiple attachments on the front panel, including a soil collecting bucket. The adaptive suspension keeps the Rover's chassis level on rough terrain. Navigation and hazard detection sensors assist with semi-autonomous operations, and a deployable solar panel points itself towards the sun to keep Flex's internal batteries charged. Recon. Can you imagine that drones will one day be able to carry people? That's exactly the challenge Rice engineers took on by developing Recon, a single-seat manned multicopter. The device is capable of a top speed of 63 miles per hour and can stay in the air for 25 minutes. Recon is equipped with 6 propellers and electric motors and can land not only on land but also on water. This feature will be of great use because it doesn't require special runways for flights. Additionally, the quick battery replacement feature allows for uninterrupted flying without a time-consuming recharge period. Thanks to this, the aircraft has a wide range of commercial applications, from inspecting industrial sites to simply delivering goods in urban areas. Advanced artificial intelligence and user-friendly controls make mastering the multicopter pretty easy. 2 joysticks are used for piloting, and onboard computers help maintain stability, even in gusty winds. When the pilot needs to make a quick landing, he heads towards an open area and activates the Land Now button, which allows the autopilot to take over the rest of the landing procedure. Honda Autonomous Work Vehicle. In 2018, Honda chopped the top half of the ATV to make a modular platform capable of carrying loads around construction sites. The platform was set up to function independently, eliminating the need for an operator. Since then, this vehicle's already gone through 2 modifications. In 2023, the company introduced the 3rd generation of its vehicle. Like the 2nd generation model, it's an all-electric work vehicle that can travel autonomously between pickup and delivery points. However, the entire navigation system has been upgraded to ensure continuous operation even where satellite communication is not available. The autonomous work vehicle is designed to solve problems such as labor shortages or gearing towards more eco-friendly construction. In autonomous mode, it can go slightly faster than the previous generation with a speed of up to 10 miles per hour. The battery capacity has also been increased to 18.6 kilowatt hours, allowing it to run for up to 10 hours without recharging. To complete the key upgrades, the platform has been lowered for easier loading, and its size has been increased to accommodate 2 pallets with a load capacity of up to 2,000 pounds. Portless. Portless is a truly unique inflatable catamaran, compact enough to be transported in the trunk of a car. At the water, it's easy to inflate the catamaran into a dual-deck cruiser. Weighing 265 pounds when packed up, it'd take several people to carry it. The catamaran offers 97 square feet of space on the main deck and 32 square feet on the upper deck for sunbathing and diving. The upper deck can hold up to 350 pounds of weight and is accessed via ladder-like steps built into the inner sidewall. The catamaran's designed to accommodate 6 people. It's equipped with an outboard electric motor, which is powered by batteries and solar panels on the roof of the catamaran. The range is estimated at 19 miles, but the manufacturer claims that with enough sunlight, the 200-watt solar panel can keep the boat moving all day at about 4 miles per hour. The company also offers an enlarged deluxe catamaran model for 8 people. Due to the increased capacity, this version will not fit in the trunk and will require more time for maintenance. Easyturn. A German-American team of engineers has developed Easyturn, a new type of front suspension with an increased angle of rotation of the wheels. The wheels of the car with the innovative system will be able to turn 80 degrees, and it'll make it easier to park in cramped city conditions. The prototype of this technical solution was fitted on a modified BMW i3 electric car, which was then able to make a U-turn on a single lane of the road, reducing the turning radius from the usual 32 feet to 20 feet. To produce this solution on a mass scale, the wheel arches of the cars will need to be widened, and the design of the turning mechanism will have to be redesigned. One should note that the system can be installed only on rear-wheel drive electric cars. It really takes a lot of space to turn the wheels and tires 80 degrees to either side. ievz. Manufactured in Denmark, the ievz is the first car that can stretch. It measures just 31 inches wide, 57 inches high, and 78 inches long in single passenger mode and weighs 485 pounds. If the driver wants to add another passenger, the car can be automatically extended to a length of 92 inches. This allows installing a second folding seat behind the driver, while to carry additional cargo along with the passenger, the car can be extended even further, up to 108 inches, getting a retractable luggage compartment. The car is equipped with a 1 kilowatt motor that takes it to a top speed of 28 miles per hour, and its lithium battery ensures a range of about 62 miles after a 3-hour charge. Solar panels on the roof store the power reserve while driving. Depending on local laws, this car can also be driven on bike lanes. One downside of the car is that when the body's extended, it's no longer airtight and has larger gaps. As a result, this mode of transportation is only suitable for one person during bad weather. Sno Trac. Sno Trac is a vehicle that uses tracks instead of wheels. This design makes it easy to drive on snow and ice thanks to better traction and stability. Actually, this snow vehicle was already in production from 1957 to 1981, but it seems it became popular again. The modern version can carry up to 7 passengers in a heated enclosed cabin. Dimensions of the snow vehicle are 12 feet long and 6 feet wide, and it weighs 3,520 pounds. The vehicle is powered by a modern, environmentally friendly 50 horsepower turbo diesel engine. Control was a major focus for the manufacturer. Thanks to the electronic components, the snow vehicle can be operated with just one joystick, which controls the speed and direction. Although the cabin design of Sno Trac may seem outdated, it's a modern machine that incorporates new electronic elements under the hood. This snow vehicle was successfully used by NATO forces during the Cold War. The Ream Museum of Technology in England displays one of the Sno Trac vehicles as part of its military track vehicle collection. Unlike the modern model, it was controlled with a steering wheel.